2026 Topps Tier 1 Baseball. 2 hobby box. Pick your team break number 6038. July 2nd. Thank you all for hopping in, getting this one full. Get that we're live first before we start it. Teams pinned up in the comments below. All cards will be cased up here in Tier 1. In terms of breaks today, we will be running, I think we're going to do Road to Opening Day next PYT. There's going to be some random teams breaks that are going to be pretty cheap to get into, 20, 25 bucks, some products from 2025. There will be a football break today, and most likely there will be a monster filler. Get out the pack here. Excuse me. 1. 2. Good luck, everybody. Last one. Starting out with the rookie for the Royals, Carter Jensen is going to be numbered to 99 on the green. 77 of 99 for Kansas City. Royals from the final filler, Kadyn. Green Carter Jensen, nice. First hits coming up will be for the A's. We got a nice on card, Jacob Wilson. 11 of 15, color match. Nice hit for Oakland, going to Mark G. Jacob Wilson, second year. Pretty clean. $11 of 15. Followed by next auto is going to the Nationals. He's having a good season. CJ Abrams, 10 of 99. Jersey autograph, Washington. Nationals going to Josh B. I think from the final filler. CJ Abrams. And on the back end, Alcantara, jersey card, 58 of 99 for the Marlins. Miami Marlins FT. Closing out box 1. Box number 2 is coming up. Wow, another Carter Jensen. What are the odds of that? Carter Jensen's going to be numbered to 125 on this one. So collecting the set here. The Royals. 116 to 125. Color match on that one. Next auto coming up is for the Pirates. These cards are sick. To 49 on card, Bubba Chandler. 25 of 49. Pittsburgh Pirates going to Rob Pecchia. Tier 1 rookie class auto on the green. Next auto is going to be going to the Royals again. Alex Gordon to 191. Jersey auto. That'll be another one going to Kadyn. Final filler once again. Doing damage. Our last card in the break is going to go to the Tigers. We got Torque on the back card, 7 of 199. Detroit Tigers for Shawn D. Closing us out, Torque. That'll do it. Give me a second to do the recap in this one. Thank you guys once again for joining. Getting this one full. We will be putting up road to opening day on a PYT next. There's going to be 2 random teams breaks as well. I'll tell you right now what they are. So we're going to go put up a 2025 Topps Museum Collection Hobby Box random teams break, 25 is a random team on that one. And then a 2025 Bowman Chrome random teams break, 22 a random team. Those are both going to go up after road to opening day. A PYT is going up probably at 2 p.m. PST. There will be a football break tonight as well. Those will be the breaks. I will see you guys. Oh, let's get into the recap. I missed that. Recap first. We got Carter Jensen to 99. Carter Jensen to 125. Torque to 199. Alcantara to 99 on that one. Abrams to 99, jersey auto. Alex Gordon to 191, jersey auto. Bubba Chandler to 49, Pirates. And Jacob Wilson to 15 for the A's. Appreciate you guys. Thank you once again. I will see you on the next B7.